Welcome back. I'm gonna explain how you can make emails like this, which are custom and they are way better than the regular Shopify emails. So right now I am making the picture for the email and I'm using Photoshop because I used GIMP last time. So I'm doing a Photoshop tutorial this time. Today we are going to use the generative AI tool in Photoshop. So I'm gonna generate it real quick and basically it will make the background of the bread. Okay, so as you can see, it made it and I'm looking for the best one. I like the second one better, so I'm probably gonna choose that one. And after that, I'm gonna do the right side of the picture. And again, you guys can do this with any type of thing. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm just gonna copy and paste because there's like a little thing on the right side or left side. So what I want to do now is I'm gonna do the right side. So I am going to use the generative AI tool again, and I'm doing the right side now. This is a very good tool that I use a lot when it comes to editing pictures and making designs. So after I do that, I am waiting now, and there you go. And I'm gonna choose one that I like. I think I like the first one better. Yeah, the first one. Okay. Now we have the picture. We are now going to edit the picture. So what I want to do, or what you want to do, is you want to get the text and I'm gonna say thank you for the purchase. Okay, so this is basically for the thank you email after somebody purchases from your website. That is what I'm making right now. So after that, thank you for your purchase, and I'm just gonna align it and transform it and rotate it real quick so it matches the bread. Okay, again, this, you guys don't need to do this version. This is just an example of an email that I'm making, right? The visual for the email. You guys can literally put anything. You guys can put thank you in text, or you guys can make any design you guys want. But I just came up with this bread one on the fly for the video. So I'm going to do Randall Rico and rotate it real quick and add it there. And now I am going to rotate it. There you go. There you go. Okay. So from here, I am going to merge everything together. But before I do that, I have to rasterize the layer because it's a text. So you want to go from here, rasterize type. Or my bad, rasterize type. There you go. Rasterize type. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other text because there's two texts on this one. So rasterize type. And we're going to merge these two together. So it's one layer. And after we do that, we are going to, or before we do that, we have to merge everything else together. So we're just going to merge visible and merge everything else together, and then we're going to use the selection tool, select the text and then hide the text, and from here we're going to go to curves, which is on the bottom right. Here you go. So we're going to go to curves and we are going to change the text and change the color so it matches the bread as if it's like toasted, you know what I'm trying to say. So we are going to do that real quick. I'm gonna match it to see if it matches the bread. And I'm gonna zoom out, and there you go. It looks pretty good, and that's pretty much it. This is the visual for the email. I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit, make sure everything looks good. But again, like I said earlier, it doesn't really matter what you put for the visual. This is just one example of what you guys can do, and this is what I'm doing for mine. And again, I just came up on the fly. You guys can literally put anything for the visual for your email. But that's it. That's pretty much it. And let's go on to Shopify. And we are actually going to import this. So here, as you can see, we are on Shopify. You want to go to settings and then go to notifications, and you can see your emails. Okay, so again, settings, notifications, and today we're going to use the order confirmation email. Again, like I said, this is like the thank you for your purchase type of email. So you want to go to Klaviyo, and Klaviyo is an app for email marketing, but you guys should definitely get it. And I'm pretty sure everybody has it by now. But you want to go to Klaviyo, you want to go templates, Shopify, and you want to select the one that is the best fit. So again, order confirmation is the same one. You want to click on it, then you want to use a template. And from here, it's pretty simple. It's easier than Photoshop. You just drag and drop and you edit certain things however you want to do it. Not that difficult. It's kind of like Canva, but easier than Canva. You guys can edit the text, edit how you guys want the text to look, different types of fonts, different types of logos, things like that. I'm gonna edit it real quick and I'll come back. And here you go. I am now done with the most part. I'm just gonna edit all the fonts to do a New York font because it looks way more elegant and way better than the normal font that has come with it. So we're just gonna edit it real quick. And from here, after we're done editing everything, we are going to add the picture that we just made for the email. Okay, like I said, you guys can do way more better emails than this, but I'm trying to make this email as quickly as possible and as simple as possible. You guys can have all the creativity you want, but as you can see, we're pretty much done. This is literally the email. And again, like I said, you guys can do whatever you want. You guys can add way more visual effects, but we want to save and exit. And from here, we want to go to export. So click on the three dots, export template, and you want to copy the code. Okay, you just want to copy everything. Just Control A, copy everything, Control C, and then you want to go back to Shopify and you want to click edit code, Control A, delete everything, and then Control V. Okay, so you're just basically replacing the code. Again, there's a revert to default button on the bottom, so if you mess up, you could just go back and you want to save it. And then you want to click preview, and there you go. That is your email that every customer will get. And again, like every email, it's customized. And I hope you guys found this tutorial very helpful. Like I said, for the 50th time, this is a very simple version that I'm making. You guys can be more creative if you guys want to, but this is just a basic outline of how to make custom emails for your templates. And again, there's so many other ones. There's order confirmation, there's fulfillment, shipping update, offer delivery, so you guys can edit every single one of those if you guys want to.